All right, up next on the dyno for baseline, we have this 6th Gen SS. It is bone stock, automatic. Oh, it does? So it's got an intake. Headers?
No.
No headers.
It's getting headers though.
It's getting headers. Has a Corsa and an intake. Automatic car. What are you thinking?
It's 420.
420. I'm gonna go 433. I don't know why. That number's just sticking out. Let's see.
Shut that garage door and kick those fans over. Yeah.
All right, 448 for the first pull. 463 to last one. So what you got going on with this thing, buddy?
Headers.
Just a set of headers?
Yep.
Nice set of cooks. Cool LT1 action. Be interesting to see what this thing picks up with a set of headers and a tune. I think this thing baseline pretty healthy, so that'd be pretty sweet. It's still crazy to me. You gotta cut the factory stuff up for a set of headers. I was asking Matt, I was like, do they make like aftermarket midsection for these cars or no?
Yeah, fucking American Racing Long Systems usually are.
That's it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm sure Cook's makes a long system too. All depends what you want to buy, long or short.
Yeah. I mean, the stock stuff is nice, but granted, this is Corsa mufflers in the back, but just crazy.
Well, that's on camera, so that's not going to happen now.
No, it's not.
Come on, really? I'm not trying to fucking bring this frame down. I'm going to have to. Son of a bitch. Really?
Can you put your hand in from the front?
Sorry. Oh, in there you mean? Yeah. Oh, there you go.
All right, 2021 Camaro. I came in and had Corsa mufflers and an air intake, and we just did headers. So now I'm tuning it. It's a little cold right now. I'm gonna let it warm up and I'll come right back. All right, see what she's got. Baseline 444 when it came in. Blew the wideband out. 457. It was a little rich too. Did it blow the wideband out?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's still in there.
Probably needs to be cleaned.
The wideband. Let me take it out.
Let me make another pull. The TCM is not unlocked in this, so I cannot turn the TCM. Next pull, when I'm making a pull, see if it's like moving back out of the pipe or not. Or if it like...
Want me to switch pipes?
You don't need to switch it, but just make sure it's not like teetering to where it can blow back. Sorry, I keep forgetting to say numbers. 458, 466 last run. 461, 468 that run. .466, 473. That was better.
It didn't move.
Yeah, it was good there. It's not actually going that lean up top. I'm not sure what's wrong with the wideband, but kind of figured it was going to do that. Close the throttle a little bit. Let's see if it stays open now. I'm just deleting that dyno graph, so you won't even see it because there's no point in showing it to you because it's auto closed. I'm just trying to, I hate explaining this every video, but I do for people, for new viewers. Especially, a lot of this stuff with the transmission is controlled on the engine side. So I have to make things on the engine side manipulate certain things so that the trans shifts correctly, and when it does that, it tends to close the throttle. So I have to play with a lot of that stuff to get it to shift right, especially when the TCM is still unlocked, or still locked, I mean. Better. Still closed it a touch up real high. I guess my battery died. I'm back. Final cold pull, and then I'll probably do some trans. Even though I can't do much, I just basically have to make sure it shifts good. And that's it. .465, 472, so one off of what its highest one was. I'm gonna do a trans pull. I'm gonna do a trans. I'll do a 3, 4, 5, 6. Since this thing doesn't really make a ton of power, it's not gonna spin in third. I'm gonna do the same thing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So this thing picked up like 20 wheel. Not bad. The stock tune was a little lean, so, or I don't know if it was stock tune or whatever was in here, it was lean. So it's safe, and makes good power. He'll be ready to roll until he wants to go to the next step. Later.